The index page displays your content using thumbnail images to link to pages. It's useful if you have multiple galleries or projects, or if you want to use images to represent links to other pages. Not every template offers an index page, and the page's styling can vary significantly from template to template. To add an index page to your site, click Pages in the Home menu. Click the plus icon, select Index, then add a title. To add pages to this index page, drag an existing one below the index page. Or click Add Page to add a new one. Since index pages utilize thumbnail images and their styling, we recommend adding these to each nested page. To add a thumbnail, click the gear icon to open the page settings. Here, you can change the navigation title, page title, description, and URL, but in this case, we'll just navigate to the thumbnail image section under the Media tab. Click Upload an image to add a new thumbnail. If an image is already present, click the trash can icon to delete it. Once done, click Save. To modify the look of the index page, navigate back to the Home menu and select Design and Site Styles. Here, you'll see a number of style settings to change, such as the site title color, site width, or other options depending on the template you're using. If you're using a template using stacked indexes, the Pages panel has an added feature that helps you move, add, and delete sections. To access these features, click Pages from the Home menu. Click the index page. Hover over the top of the site preview and click Manage Sections. You'll see a zoomed out version of your index, which you can use to more easily scroll through sections. Click and drag any section to rearrange it. Use the plus and minus icons to add or remove sections. And to return to the Pages panel, click back in the top left corner. Since the index page is a collection of pages within a page, the URL format varies. Some templates have a hashtag symbol for pages when they're viewed through the index page. Here's an example. In most cases, pages will also be formatted differently when viewed through the index page. Please note that search engines index pages at their individual URLs, instead of the index hashtag URLs that are not accessible to bots. Also, when sharing a link to a page on a social media site, make sure to take out the hashtag from the URL in order to properly render the page's content. Let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.